If you're looking to let your customers reopen resolved tickets easily, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes, no fluff. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share a special offer on the software we'll be using today, which you can access exclusively through this video. The first thing you need to do is make sure the system you're using allows customers to reopen tickets after they've been marked as resolved. Now, not all support systems have this option built in, but many popular platforms do, and you can enable it with just a few clicks. For the software we'll be using today, I'll show you how to set up a system where, if a customer isn't satisfied with the resolution or needs to follow up, they can simply click a button to reopen their ticket. This can be incredibly helpful in reducing customer frustration and keeping them satisfied with your support. The first step is to navigate to your settings or support ticket preferences. Once you're there, look for the ticket status settings or something similar. You'll want to find the option that lets you define different statuses for tickets, like open, resolved, and closed. Most systems will let you modify the status settings, and you'll need to enable an option that lets customers reopen resolved tickets. This might be a simple checkbox or toggle switch. It's important that once enabled, customers can click on the Reopen Ticket button or link that will appear next to the ticket once it's been marked as resolved. The second thing to check is whether or not your system automatically sends a notification to the support team when a ticket is reopened. You want to make sure your team is notified right away so they can take action and follow up with the customer. This ensures you don't miss any reopened issues and can quickly resolve them again. Now, some systems may require manual intervention from your support team to reopen tickets. If that's the case, it's worth checking if you can automate this process by enabling certain rules or triggers in your software. These rules will notify your team when a customer wants to reopen a ticket and can even automatically change the ticket status back to open when requested. If your support software allows for custom workflows, you can set up a system where tickets automatically re-enter the queue once reopened based on specific triggers like customer feedback or ticket reply times. This way, customers won't feel like they're left in limbo, and your team can handle requests as efficiently as possible. Remember, the key to making this process seamless is clear communication with your customer. Let them know upfront that they can reopen a ticket if the issue isn't fully resolved. This gives them confidence that they'll be heard, and it shows that your support team is committed to providing top-notch service. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Letting customers reopen resolved tickets is about empowering them and ensuring that no issue slips through the cracks. By enabling this feature in your support system, you ensure a smoother experience for your customers and a more efficient workflow for your team. To recap, first, enable the option to reopen tickets in your system settings. Second, make sure your support team gets notified when tickets are reopened. And third, consider automating the process to streamline the workflow. Lastly, if you want to follow along and test this out, make sure to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we're using today. The link is in the description below, and this offer is only available for viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.